This is the first video in a series dedicated to using the IA shell to perform tasks. Most users perform tasks using the IA web app. However, there's often a need for a command line interface because there are some tasks that cannot be done via the IA web app. For example, ingesting data and importing configuration are two tasks usually done from the IA shell. Configuration is specified using declarative configuration, which we'll demonstrate in a future video. The IA shell is context sensitive. Once you connect using your credentials, the context is set to the tenant. Use commands to navigate the hierarchy and perform actions, such as ingesting tables and packages. Some commands, such as import configuration, are not context sensitive and, as long as you are connected, the command is available. In this video, we'll review 3 commands that are used to navigate and browse the configuration for your deployment: change directory, pwd, and cat commands. After running the connect command, IA shell has a concept of the current context. By default, when you connect, your context is set to the tenant level. Use the pwd command to see your current context. This command provides information about what's available at the current context. As we haven't changed the context in this video, you'll see resources defined at the tenant level. You can see that there are commands to let you explore the applications, any applicable retention policies, and your own background tasks. Let's focus on the phone calls application to view the AIPs that were ingested by default. Let's set our context to a package that's already been installed. The cd command is similar to the Linux command of the same name and treats collections as directories. The following are special strings related to the paths. This indicates the current directory. This indicates the parent directory. A path that starts with a / indicates the absolute path from the root. A path that starts without a / indicates the relative path from the current directory. Run the ls command with a long option to provide more details about the packages. Depending on the type of resources, different fields are shown, such as for job definitions or AIPs. Long mode supports additional properties for the following objects: applications, job definitions and job instances, contents, audits and audit event types, retention applications, Postgres and Lucene libraries. Sometimes the long option doesn't provide enough information. Change the directory to a specific package and run the cat command again to view its metadata. It's also possible to set the context for a particular object. In this example, let's set our context to a specific AIP. When objects aren't named, or if the names aren't guaranteed to be unique, use the ID when setting the context. Run the cat command to show information about the current context. This way, you can view such information as the name of the package, its current state and state code, compliance information, and much more. To learn more about these and other commands, see the Information Archive Shell Guide included with the Information Archive documentation set.